Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob Trade Genius, the 30th of November. And I just want to talk about, I've been going through all the sectors this holiday weekend and just looking at some of the momos and some of the busted parabolas and to see if anything's going to be coming back. You know, where's the next ignition, if you will. And when you look at the marijuana sector here, is that, you know, it popped, you know, in 2018, and then we had a echo that almost like a double top here for the ETF, and then it rolled down, and then usually when these parabolas break, they usually settle here and then pop, but they just keep falling. And so the marijuana sector is basically bust. No company is profitable. And then this article popped up today, and reason prompted me to do this video is that hemp, Wall Street Journal, you know, the farmers rushed into hemp, now they face a glut. So everybody dove into this thing, and, you know, we're already saturated with dispensaries where marijuana is not a moat. You know, you can grow it in your yard or your sunroom, and, you know, there's no scarcity to it whatsoever. And in fact, some places the black market is cheaper than the government dispensary. So it's dead. And I just want to let people know, you just can take this one off your list. It's not coming back. And what's interesting to me, all through 2017, 2018, 2019, the young crowd was flipping between, you know, cryptos and marijuana, you know, to get the lift. And now this one's gone. So, and we're rolling into a global recession, and it's going to be interesting to see if anything is going to be able to replace this sector to excite the masses, and I just don't see it. So I decided to show that to you guys. Take this one off your list. The area that I'm watching, though, that I'm waiting for to bust, because when it busts, it's going to be a glorious you know, rollover, is when you get into the socks. And let me just show you that one here real quick, because I think this is the one that's going to really become interesting. All right, so it's still pushing me high. This is the whole China is great thing, but, you know, profitability is eroding in this sector massively. And, you know, right now what I'm going to watch for is to see what happens on a break here, or I'm watching right in this level here, and just to see if we get a failure here. You can't. The problem with chasing these things, and I've learned from bitter experience, is that you just don't know when it's gonna break. And what you have to find is that you have to find a move like this that doesn't get rewarded on a dip. And so, you know, we're still trending up on this, and the dip was bought here, the dip was bought here, the dip was bought here, and now it's consolidating again into another bull flag, and I imagine it's going to get to here. And what we have to see then is a failure down to below this line here, and then for this trend to roll over. And then I think we can start looking at how to short in the semis and short the Qs, and I think this is where you're going to make a lot of money when the stock market rolls down. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend. Last minute to check out our Black Friday specials. We're having a record-breaking month of people joining us, and you might want to think about it yourself. You know, we really work really hard to find you places to make money in either cryptocurrencies, binary options, and in the stock and ETF market. So we even dabble in futures, so you can find your home and make some money. Thanks for listening. TradeLikeAGenius.com. Bye-bye.